Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Today I'm going to be talking about a topic that quite a few of you had requested, commented on my videos asking for the same, that how can we have a mentally strong mindset all the time? How can we remain mentally strong? The very first point is become totally deaf to the surroundings. People whom you supposedly feel are close but are a negative vibe to you constantly keep only reminding you of what you cannot do and what if you do will happen wrong. Cut out from them and become totally deaf. We basically need to maintain a complete deaf attitude towards people who are negating us, who are, completely putting us in a shell and making that mental strength of ours go down. So that's the very first point. Second point is we need to come out of our comfort zone. We need to explore ourselves at times. Sometimes we get so comfortable in our own circle that we just don't think of anything else outside it. And the moment there is a point where we have to think outside, we just get very, shaken, and then we feel, no, we can't do it and all of that. So that is one important thing that we need to do, that is explore outside our comfort zone every now and then, so that the comfort zone doesn't become so strong that we are not able to get over it. And the last point is learn to restrict yourself. Well, many a times, see, we do a lot of things that we actually need not do, or is not benefiting us anything out of that. The bad habits basically is what I mean, or the habits that are there in us which are only basically pushing us into things that are making us mentally weaker or not letting us be mentally strong. So restrict yourself in doing things that are your completely disconnect and that make you feel uncomfortable and that pull down your mental strength. Please give it a try to these pointers that I have told you, and I'm sure you will be able to feel the mental strength, the change that you have, that you will be able to go through. And if you need any kind of personal help or personal counseling, you can get in touch with me with the details mentioned in the description, and we can do a one-on-one session to understand in detail if you have any specific issues. Do give it a try and let me know how it worked. Until then, it's me, Neha, saying bye.